Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. And today I have a really special video for y'all. So I ordered some new phones and a new tablet. So let's get right into the video. This is the Galaxy Note 10, and this is the Galaxy Tab A 7.0. So basically I ordered the Galaxy Note 10 a few weeks ago on launch day tablet. So the thing about these is that I'm actually not going to fully unbox them. I'm just going to unbox the boxes, but I'm not going to unbox the phones. Because I'm going to try to sell this Note 10 and sell the tablet. And just try to buy an iPhone. So you're going to see an iPhone unboxing in a few weeks, but this is just an unboxing of the boxes of the phones and tablet. So if that makes any sense, I'll just go ahead and open it. Here's the tablet. I've already opened this. And here it is, Samsung Galaxy Tab A. It's a 7.0 inch, 8GB Wi-Fi, and it's black. I'm not going to open the seal on this since I'm going to sell it as brand new. That's just the tablet. And I'm recording my Note 9, and my Note 9 is going to be traded in a few days, so you won't see this Note 9 anymore. And, yeah. There's the Note 10. Just going to open it. And, yeah, here it is. I'll just move the tablet to the side. And, yeah. Let's just go ahead and open it. Here's the receipt. Some of this stuff. And yeah. Here's the Note 10. Samsung Galaxy Note 10. This is, let's see what it is. It's a 256 gig, and it's the Aura Glow color. And I'm not going to open this. So yeah, I guess that's going to be it. I'm just going to be selling these two devices. So I'm just going to put this on sale for $950 and this one on sale for $129. And I'm just going to go ahead and sell them. And with the money I get from selling these, I'm just going to buy an iPhone 11 Pro Max or whatever it's going to be called. And yeah. Note 10 and Tab A. So yeah, peace out. And you're going to see an iPhone unboxing in a few weeks after the iPhone comes out. And yeah, peace out.